5 boxes of Prizm Draft. 1, 3, 5. Here we go. Anybody get anything good out of this yet? Immediately after this, I'm going to post up Top Series 2. Jumbo. A 101 filler card. Nice. Got a 101 filler. Here we go. Edelman and Daniel Jones. And we got to get this thing going because I don't know all the rookies yet. And Vikings first. Whop Filior. Whop Filior. Not numbered. Series 2. It's priced fairly. It's like $2.18 a box. Whop. We got a Derek Carr red. Derek Carr red wave. Raiders. That is Josh. And we got an Anthony. Travis Anthony. That is Jacksonville. Anthony. 54 of 249. Whopper. I like Whoppers. I didn't have one today. Telling your girlfriend on you, DJ, for stopping and getting a soda pop. Anthony. Jaguars. Anthony. Justin Herbert. Silver. Justin Herbert. Silver. DJ. Rondell Moore, Mac Jones, Kittle, and Wilson. Keep talking smack. And we got the Chiefs. Jason, Noah Gray. Noah Gray, cracked ice blue. 28 of 75. 28 of 75. Jason. Next, Daz Newsome. Daz Newsome. Bears. That is Anthony, not numbered. Daz Newsome, Bears. Red Shimmer. I'll explain to her it's full of sugar and not part of keto. And we got Henry Ruggs. Henry Ruggs Blue, Raiders. 113 of 199. 113 of 199, rim free. Caleb Farley, silver. Caleb Farley, silver. Titans, Mr. Harris. Owa. Rizzo. We got Debo and Sanders. We got Jalen Phillips, Dolphins. Jalen Phillips, Dolphins, Jeff. That is 92 of 149. 92 of 149. Nice hit. That guy's going to be good. 92 of 149. Justin Jefferson, Vikings. Justin Jefferson, Red Shimmer, Vikings. Not numbered. Jefferson. Next, we got Rashad Jr. Rashad Jr. That is 57 of 299 Jets. Eugene. And Jarvis Landry, Cleveland. That is Mark, silver. Jarvis Landry. Sean Wade. Basham. Claypool. Jared Goff. We got Taron Jackson. Taron Jackson, purple cracked ice. '51 of 99 Eagles. 51 of 99 Eagles. Damon. Josh Allen. Josh Allen, Bills. Tom. 8 of 99. 8 of 99. Josh Allen. Drew Brees, Saints. Drew Brees, Saints. Chris. 176 of 249. Glad I grabbed some more packs of top loads. A lot of color in these. 176 of 249. Breeze. Greg Rizzo. Greg Rizzo, silver. Bills. Tom. Sermon, Rizzo, Kamara, David Johnson, and we got Kawan Baker. Kawan Baker. Saints. Chris. Now you're going greedy on it. Kawan Baker. And we got Chris Carson, Seahawks. I believe he plays for the Seahawks still. Could be wrong. Red Shimmer. Not numbered. Carson. And Saquon Barkley, Giants. Saquon Barkley, Giants. Greg. It's 58 of 149. 58 of 149. Oh, you are. Frankie. Those are Frankie's cards. Josh Allen. Silver. Bills. Sorry about that, Frankie. We got Holland and Newman. And that was box number 1. Box number 1. Box 2. Box 2. Come on, Trevor Lawrence. Or one of the quarterbacks. Gotta get one of them, right? Why do they use this packing? Where's a color burst? That's what I want. Here we go, box 2. Good luck. Minshew, Ayuk, Redemption, J.C. Horn. J.C. Horn. I want to say Panthers. J.C. Horn. Red Shimmer. We got Nico Collins. Blue Shimmer. Nico Collins. $62 of $249. Texans. Texans. That is Troy. And Debo Silver, 49ers. Debo Silver, 49ers. So who are the redemptions in this? Parsons, Vaughns. We got Terry McLaurin, Matt Ryan, Nashawn Wright. Nashawn Wright. Base. Looks like Cowboys. Nashawn Wright. Yeah, New Pitts was a redemption. All right, here we go. Come on. We got James Robinson, Jags. James Robinson, Jags. 46 of 99. 46 of 99. What's going on, Robert? How's your week go? Alvin Kamara. Alvin Kamara, Saints. Chris, 173 of 199. Trevor Lawrence, Silver, Jaguars. There you go, Anthony. Crusade. Nice hit. Nice card. Trevor Lawrence, Silver. Got Jamie Newman. Osai. Cam. Gurley. Rashad Weaver. Rashad Weaver. Base. Looks like Titans. That would be Mr. Harris. Chase. Rashad Weaver. And we got Big Ben, Steelers. Big Ben, Steelers. Tom. How about Big Ben Steelers again? 81 of 149 this time. 81 of 149. Purple cracked ice. Pitts and Chase in it. Chase. Who's Chase? What am I missing with Chase? Ben Roethlisberger. Jared Goff silver. Jared Goff. That's right, Jamar. There it is. Jared Goff. Lions. That is DJ. And Jamar Chase. Can't figure out why I couldn't think of him. Carlos Basham. Best quarterback in the league. Derek Carr. Ruggs. Henry Ruggs. Brandon Smith. Silver. Brandon Smith. Silver. Cowboys. Couldn't find him. There's like 12 famous different Brandon Smiths. Cowboys. Renfrey. Tony Poljan. Tony Poljan. Purple cracked ice. Ravens. That is 58 of 99. 58 of 99. Ravens. Renfrey. Bengals are not the best team. Kenneth Gainwell. Kenneth Gainwell. All-American. Red Shimmer. Kenneth Gainwell. Eagles. Damian. Kenneth Gainwell. LSU. And Terry McLaurin. Terry McLaurin, red. Washington. 230 of 299. DJ, 230 of 299. And we got Hubbard Silver, Panthers. Hubbard Silver, Panthers. Nick. Samuel Wallace, Chris Carson, Justin Jefferson, Dylan Radums. Dylan Radums. That is 65 of 199. 65 of 199. Tennessee. Mr. Harris. Godwin, Buccaneers. Chris Godwin, Buccaneers. Red Shimmer. Kyler Murray, Blue Shimmer. Arizona, Mark. 18 of 249. 18 of 249. Chase Claypool, Pittsburgh. Tom. And to finish her out, we'll check on this redemption. Got Bateman and Freiermuth. Redemption is Jamar Chase, Purple Ice. Bengals, DJ. Jamar Chase, Purple Ice. Nice hit. That should be a good one. Jamar Chase, Purple Ice. Congrats. Got your boy, too. There's your Purple Ice right there. This is 99. Number to 99. And Panini gave us a free auto. When was the last time we got a freebie? Box number 3. Box number 3. Stupid boxes. Let's get a monster. Let's get a 101. No. My wife was supposed to look into a friend of hers owns a vet. And she's supposed to look into it. I don't know. Mahomes, Godwin. We got Javonte Williams. I believe he's Broncos, if I remember right. Javonte Williams is Broncos. That is Bob. And that is numbered 159 of 199. 159 of 199. We got Chase Claypool, Red Shimmer. Steelers. Tom. Javon Holland. Javon Holland. Can't wait for pro jerseys. It makes it a lot easier. Blue Shimmer to 249 Dolphins. To 249 Dolphins. That is Jeff. Color bursts are not numbered. They're 1 in 5 cases, I want to say. Javon Holland. DeAndre Swift. DeAndre Swift, Lions. Silver. And that is DJ. Devontae Smith. Rondell Moore. Connor Adams. Chaz Surratt. Chaz Surratt. Red Vikings. That is 39 of 199. 39 of 199, Todd. Mike Evans. Mike Evans, Red Shimmer, Bucks, DJ. No Fields. We got Devontae Smith, Eagles. Purple Cracked Ice, Eagles. Damon. 143 of 149. And Parsons Silver. Parsons Silver. Cowboys. Rimfree. Mac Jones. Hawkins. Murray Eason. We got Keith Taylor. Keith Taylor Red. Possibly the Panthers. 170 of 199. 170 of 199. Keith Taylor. 0 Fields. Not even a color of Fields. And Gainwell. Kenneth Gainwell. Kenneth Gainwell Blue Cracked Ice. Eagles. 58 of 99. 58 of 99. They're good looking cards this year. These All-Americans are sharp. And Sage Surratt. Sage Surratt Purple. That is 71 of 75 Lions. 71 of 75 Lions. DJ. Surratt. And a Silver Tannehill. Silver Tannehill. For the Titans. Rizzo, Moore. Jacobs, Juju. Brendan Knox. Brendan Knox. That is a mojo. $20 of 25. Doesn't look like he was drafted. 20 of 25. Looks like undrafted for Tom. Marshall. Tom Brady. Red Shimmer. Tom Brady. Red Shimmer. Bucks. DJ. DJ. And Ronald Jones, Bucks, DJ, red. 253 of 299. 253 of 299. Joseph Asai, silver. Joseph Asai, silver. I don't know this one. And that is Bengals. That's it, just a number to 5-1. Joseph Asai, that's all you need. We got Basham, Owen, Henry, Boyd, Shaka Tony, red, Washington, 99 of 199, 99 of 199. And to finish it off, we got David Johnson Red. Red Shimmer. David Johnson Red Shimmer. Not numbered. Antonio Gibson Blue Shimmer. Washington. 209 of 249. 209 of 249. DJ. And Joe Mixon Silver. Joe Mixon Silver. Bengals. Rizzo and Wade. And that was box 3. Box number 3. Box 4. Here we go. Wonder what would a Brady? What do you think a Brady to 5 in Prizm Draft would bring? Box 4. Someday. I put an order in for one, but it seems like it's never going to show up. Alright, here we go. Box 4, good luck. Julio, Wentz, Marvin Wilson. Marvin Wilson. That is a big boy. He is Browns. Marvin Wilson, not numbered. That is Easmont. Mark Easmont. Darren Waller, red. Red Wave Raiders. Frankie. Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Chiefs. Jason, Clyde Edwards-Helaire, 113 of 149. Henry Ruggs, Raiders. Frankie. I'd love to pull a Zach Wilson Color Blast. Quiddy Justin Fields. Justin Fields. Bears. Anthony. Crusade Base. Lockett. Aaron Jones. Michael Carter. 50 of 99 Jets. 50 of 99 Jets. Eugene. $50 of 99. We got Jalen Waddle. Dolphins. Jalen Waddle, Dolphins. Jeff. Travis Kelce. Travis Kelce, red. 185 of 299. Chiefs, Jason. Patrick Surtain. Patrick Surtain. I can't remember where he went. He is Broncos. Denver. Patrick Surtain, silver. Broncos. Bob. Parsons. Micah Parsons. Vaughn. Lamar. Cook. Asai. Joseph Asai. That is a blue or a purple cracked ice. Bengals. 80 of 99. 80 of 99. James Robinson, Jags. Anthony. James Robinson, Jags. Koromoa, Patriots. Koromoa, Patriots, I believe. Nope, Browns. Cleveland Browns. 157 of 199. 157 of 199, Mark. Koromoa, 157 of 199. Derek Carr, silver. Derek Carr, silver, Raiders. Frankie. Jamie Newman, Asai. Minshew, Ayuk. We got Slayton. Tadarill Slayton. That is Packers. Green Bay Packers. That is Frankie. Devontae Smith. Devontae Smith, Eagles. Devontae Smith, Eagles. That is Damon. We got an orange Dylan Moses. Dylan Moses. That was Jaguars. That is 21 of 49. 21 of 49. Dylan Moses. Michael Carter. Michael Carter, Jets. Michael Carter, Jets, silver. There was something Panthers. I don't know what it was, though. Michael Carter, silver. Jamon Chase, Carlos Basham Jr., Terry McLaurin, Matt Ryan. We got CJ Marabell. CJ Marabell. 70 of 99. 70 of 99. Not sure what checklist he's under. I'll have to look on the list. 70 of 99. And Red Shimmer. Sam Darnold, Panthers. Red Shimmer, Sam Darnold, Panthers. Nick. Micah Parsons. Micah Parsons, Cowboys. Renfrey. 100 of 299. 100 of 299. Justin Jefferson, silver, Vikings, Todd. Justin Jefferson, silver, Vikings, Todd. And that was box 4, Samuel and Wallace. Box number 5. This is the Color Burst box. Maybe. Hopefully. Fifth and final. Where is a big one? We got one big one. Need a couple more. $101 Brady. Here we go. Good luck. Garrett and Fuller. We got Ernest Jones. Ernest Jones. Looks like the Rams. That is Anthony. And blue cracked ice, Dylan Moses. Jaguars, 29 of 99. 29 of 99. Dylan Moses. Downtown's in this? Russell Wilson, Blue Wave. Seahawks, Mark. 153 of 249. 153 of 249. Kareem Hunt, silver. Kareem Hunt, silver. Browns, Mark. Bolton, Fryermouth, Herbert, Akers, Joshua Kendo. Joshua Kendo. That is 49 of 99. 49 of 99. Chiefs. Jason. How about Derek Carr? Derek Carr. Red Wave. Raiders. Frankie. Lots of Derek Carr. Deshaun Watson. Texans. Troy. 176 of 199. 176 of 199. Deshaun Watson. Blue. Rizzo, Bills. Gregory Rizzo, silver, Blues. Or Bills, Blues. That is Tom. Kadarius Toney, Giants. St. Brown. Josh Allen. Landry. We got Quentin Morris. Quentin Morris. Doesn't show him on a team, so I'll have to look. I'll have to see. It might be undrafted. Not sure, though. Quentin Morris. We got Trey Lance, 49ers. Trey Lance, 49ers. Kirk. Pat Fryermouth. Pat Fryermouth. 53 of 149. 53 of 149. Steelers. I believe that was Tom. Tom. 53 of 149. Jalen Hurts. Silver. Eagles. Damon. Come on. One more big one. We got Elijah Moore. Mac Jones, Patriots. Mac Jones, Patriots. Edward. Crusade. Barkley, Kelsey. Spencer Brown. Spencer Brown. Bills, not numbered. That is Tom. A little bit of protection for Josh Allen. Justin Jefferson. Justin Jefferson, red. Vikings. Todd. Rashad Bateman. Ravens. 245 of 299. 245 of 299. Ravens. That is Renfree. Trey Sermon, 49ers. Trey Sermon, 49ers, silver. Kirk. They say he might have been the steal of the draft. Zach Wilson. Zach Wilson. All-Americans. Jets. Eugene. Kyle Trask. Bucks. Kyle Trask. Bucks. Edwards-Helaire, Jarrett Stidham, and we got Devontae Smith. Devontae Smith, 140 of 149. 140 of 149 Eagles. Damon. There you go. Got yourself all the way down to the last auto. 140 of 149. Zach Wilson, Red Shimmer, Jets. Zach Wilson, Red Shimmer, Jets. Eugene. Javon Holland, blue. Javon Holland Blue. Dolphins, 101 of 199. 101 of 199. Dolphins, Jeff. And to finish off the colors, DeAndre Swift, Lions. DeAndre Swift, Lions. DJ. Rondell Moore, Nico Collins. All right. Let's do a quick